From Solperk, we got a solar charger and maintainer for a battery. Uh, we have a 20 watt, 12 volts, a little over 1 amp solar panel here. It got 4 solar cells, monocrystalline. Got tempered glass, which I don't ever use soap or chemicals to clean this thing. It might scratch it up or um, ruin it or anything, something like that. I just use a damp towel just to clean it down. It also comes with a charge controller, 8 amp, 13 volts. Um, it got a red light and a green light. Red light for that it's charging, and the green light that it is charging completed. It's also got 2 connector cable, one for the solar panel and the other one for the battery connector. As for the battery connector, you get 2 different types of battery connector. You get one that looks like 2 little rings for some people that might got a screw-in battery terminal or 2 prongs like this, where you just put it on there and screw it down. The other one is 2 clamps and just connect it. This is also hooked up for the charge controller. It also comes with hardware to put the bracket and leg on the solar panel. You could either hang it up or hang up the charge controller. It's an option. I'm going to put it together so you can see how it goes. So the first thing we do is we hook up the solar panel before the batteries. Alright, I'm going to use clamps. Make sure your clamps are not touching each other. They will spark and damage your equipment. That's what we got here is red light is on, green light is not, so it is charging. And in this case, with the charge controller and the maintainer, I just took it up, leave it alone, go and do my normal thing. I don't have to worry about it, and it doesn't overcharge it, and I don't have to worry about cause a fire or anything.